Hey there, did you know that even Queen Elizabeth I struggled with skincare? Back in 1562, at the age of 29, she contracted smallpox, which left scars on her skin. To conceal them, she used a foundation made with vinegar and lead and followed a harsh skincare routine involving mercury, rose water, honey, and eggshells. While effective in the short term, these practices ultimately damaged her skin, leading to a vicious cycle of needing more coverage. It's fascinating how beauty trends and skincare practices have evolved over time, right? Today, we're going to ditch the harsh chemicals and uncover 3 powerful kitchen ingredients that can help erase age spots naturally and give you that youthful glow you deserve. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to radiant skin using simple ingredients, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Let's get started. Let's start with a beauty secret that's been passed down for generations: lemon juice. This humble fruit has been a staple in kitchens and beauty routines for centuries, and for good reason. Recent research has revealed that it's a potent source of citric acid and vitamin C, a dynamic duo that can help inhibit melanin production. Citric acid gently exfoliates the skin, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens and protects. Melanin, as you might know, is the pigment responsible for giving our skin its color, but it can also lead to those pesky dark spots, especially as we age or experience sun damage. Over time, these spots can become more pronounced, making our skin look uneven. Think of lemon juice as a natural bleaching agent. It gently lifts away those dark spots and reveals brighter, more even-toned skin underneath. But here's the best part. It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. You don't need expensive products or complicated procedures. Start by selecting a fresh, juicy lemon. The fresher the lemon, the more potent the juice will be. Roll it on the counter, pressing down gently with your palm. This simple step helps to break down the fibers inside, making it easier to extract the juice. Now, cut the lemon in half and grab a bowl. Make sure your knife is sharp to get a clean cut. Next, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl, adding an equal amount of water. This dilution is crucial to prevent irritation. Now, dip a soft cotton ball into the lemon juice mixture, ensuring it's soaked but not dripping. You want just enough to cover the affected areas. Gently dab the cotton ball onto the areas of your face and hands where you have age spots. Be thorough but gentle, as the skin in these areas can be sensitive. Allow the lemon juice to work its magic for about 20 minutes. This gives the citric acid and vitamin C enough time to penetrate the skin and start the lightening process. You can relax, read a book, or catch up on your favorite YouTube videos while you wait. It's a perfect time to unwind and take a break. After 20 minutes, rinse your face and hands thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all traces of the lemon juice. Avoid using soap immediately after applying lemon juice, as it can be drying. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel. For best results, incorporate this lemon juice treatment into your routine at least a couple of nights a week. Nighttime is ideal, as your skin can repair and rejuvenate while you sleep. Over time, you'll start noticing those age spots fading, leaving you with a more radiant and youthful complexion. Your skin will thank you for this natural, effective treatment. Now, let's move on to another kitchen staple: baking soda. You probably know it as a baking essential, but did you know it's also a secret weapon for achieving smoother, more even-toned skin? Baking soda is a natural exfoliator, meaning it gently removes dead skin cells that can make your complexion look dull and uneven. You see, when these dead cells accumulate on the surface of your skin, they can trap melanin, making age spots appear darker and more prominent. That's why regular exfoliation with baking soda can help prevent this buildup. But here's where it gets even better. When combined with emu oil and lemon juice, baking soda transforms into a powerhouse treatment for fading age spots. Emu oil, known for its regenerative properties, helps to nourish and heal the skin, while lemon juice, as we discussed earlier, works its magic to lighten those dark spots. Together, they create a synergistic effect that can significantly improve your skin's appearance. Let's talk about how to create this potent age spot fading treatment. It's simple and can be done with ingredients you likely already have at home. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of emu oil. Mix them well until you achieve a smooth paste. The texture should be easy to apply and not too runny. Apply this paste directly to your age spots, gently massaging it into your skin using circular motions. This helps to enhance the exfoliating action and ensures even coverage. Leave the paste on for about 20 minutes, allowing the baking soda to work its exfoliating magic and the emu oil to deeply nourish your skin. This waiting period is crucial for the ingredients to penetrate and act effectively. After 20 minutes, rinse off the paste with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You can use this baking soda and emu oil treatment 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Alternatively, you can also try a baking soda mask for a more intensive treatment. This mask can provide a deeper cleanse and more pronounced results. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix well until you form a smooth paste. The olive oil adds extra moisture, making this mask suitable even for drier skin types. Apply this mask to your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. The skin around your eyes is thinner and more sensitive, so it's best to keep this area clear. Leave it on for 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to penetrate your skin. After 15 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Your skin should feel refreshed and rejuvenated. This baking soda mask can be used once or twice a week. Regular use can help maintain a clear and even complexion. Remember, while baking soda is generally safe for topical use, it can be drying for some skin types. So always follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. If you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying any new ingredient to your face. This simple step can help you avoid potential irritation or allergic reactions. Finally, let's explore the incredible benefits of apple cider vinegar, or ACV, for fading age spots and achieving a balanced complexion. Research has shown that the alpha-hydroxy acids, or AHAs, in apple cider vinegar are key players in exfoliating the skin. AHAs work by breaking down the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. This exfoliation process is crucial for fading age spots because it helps remove the layers of skin where excess melanin is concentrated. But that's not all. Regular exfoliation also promotes cell turnover, which is vital for skin renewal. Apple cider vinegar also contains acetic acid, which has been shown to inhibit melanin production. This means that ACV not only helps to fade existing age spots, but also prevents new ones from forming. It's a proactive approach to skincare that addresses both current and future concerns. Now, let's talk about incorporating apple cider vinegar into your skincare routine. Start by diluting raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with water. Next, mix equal parts ACV and water in a bowl. Then, soak a cotton ball in the diluted ACV solution, ensuring it's saturated but not dripping. This will make the application easier and more controlled. Gently apply the cotton ball to your age spots, avoiding the sensitive eye area. Be sure to cover all the spots you want to treat. Leave the ACV solution on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the acids to work their magic without over-exfoliating. You might feel a slight tingling sensation, which is normal. This is a sign that the ACV is actively working on your skin. After 2 to 3 minutes, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. For best results, repeat this process once or twice daily. So there you have it, 3 incredible kitchen ingredients that can help you achieve a more youthful, radiant complexion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare, so be patient and give these remedies time to work their magic. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness secrets. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And as always, I love hearing from you. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences with these kitchen remedies in the comments below. Have you tried any of these ingredients before? What are your go-to natural skincare solutions? Let's chat! Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.